Hello beautiful people, today I'm gonna show you how to set up Google Analytics on our WordPress website. So let's get started. So if you want to set up your Google Analytics on our WordPress website, so you need to create a WordPress website, then you need to create Google Analytics property. So how we can do that? Let me show in a few minutes. So I create a WordPress website on there. My domain name is digitalanalysis.store and these are the backend, these are the front end. So we need to create a e-commerce website in 1 minute. Now I'm going to the backend, I'm going to the appearance, themes, click add new, then we need to add a theme, install Flux theme. I prefer this, so I search Flux. So you will see the Flux. I'm going to the install button. Very lightweight and very easy theme. Install done. I click activate. So activate done. I'm going to the install to core plugin on there, and they are activate their core plugin. And this theme based on Elementor Pro Page Builder, and Elementor is installing now. So installation completed successfully. So now I'm going to the import a demo data on there. I'm going to the demo import. On the bottom I select shop. There I have 40 shop, and here is lot of demo free pro or also available. I'm going to the install classic shop. I'm going to the import. I'm going to the continue. They are recommended some plugin, WooCommerce, Contact Form 7, WP Like, MailChimp for WordPress. I'm going to the install all plugin. Then I will install the demo. So plugin install successfully done. If you want to remove watermarks, we will remove watermarks with invert to elements license key. Now I keep skip. So now import demo content of Flux theme. I import completely pre-built website. I create import content. They are importing 5 to 10 minutes. They're downloading some media and import their XML content. So demo content imported successfully done. Now I'm going to the preview our website. I click preview button, and you will see the demo content installed successfully done. I close this. You can see the image are watermark because of we have not inverter license key right now, so that's okay. So we successfully create a e-commerce website. I'm going to the page, about us page. Yeah, so these are perfectly working. So now we need to create a Google Analytics 4 property. I'm search Google Analytics. Click Google Analytics, analytics.google.com/analytics/web. So welcome to Google Analytics. Now I'm going to start measuring our website data, and now we need to create an account name. So our website name is digitalanalysis.store. So I create an account name Digital Analysis. Then I check mark Google product and service benchmarking. We will see how we can do that. Next, then we need to create a property like, so I type digitalanalysis.website, and whereas reporting time zone United States also working. Show advanced option. Universal Analytics not working currently, and Universal Analytics property will stop collecting data from 1st July 2023, and it's recommended to that create Google Analytics 4 property actually. So if you want also use Universal Analytics, just check mark. Then you will also create Google Analytics and Universal Analytics both, or also we can create Universal Analytics only. So we don't want use Universal Analytics, so we create Google Analytics 4 property. Then next, then we can share about our business information on there. Our website is shopping, so I create a shopping. Then we can set up medium. Then we can check mark there some major data optimize. Then we can create a property. Then I accept, scroll down. Then we need to accept another terms and condition. Then accept. So our property is ready. So my email communication, when we check mark, Google Analytics will give me some information on my email. Now I'm going to the save. So this is actually Google Analytics 4 dashboard account. We can choose a platform, web, Android, iOS app. So right now we need to track web. Then I select web. Then we can put our website URL on there. I copy and paste on there my website name. I can copy our domain name, then paste on there. Then we will setting, then we will check mark all on there also. It's default. I close this. Then I create a stream. So our Google Analytics 4 property already created, done. So they are showing some instruction on there. It's not active right now. And they are showing stream ID, they are showing measurement ID, they are showing here is Google Tag Manager as well as. So right now we want to see manually, that's why we need to. So data collection not activate on our website. Now I'm going to the tag. I'm click view tag instruction. They're showing a tag on here. I'm copy this tag. I'm going to the backend. I'm going to the appearance. So now I'm going to the appearance, then theme editor. Then we will put this code on our header. Now we are using Flux theme. Here is Flux. I'm finding the header PHP file. This is header PHP file, theme header. I'm going to the header. Then after meta tag, we will put our script on there. Right now I'm going to the update file. So update successfully done. And I'm going to the refresh on our site. Here it is, we can refresh our site and you can install a extension, enable it and go to the refresh, and you can see the Google Analytics global tag is perfectly working. And I'm go to the analytics and you can see the measurement ID as well as Google Tag Assistant, same G tag is also working. So right now I'm going to visit this site. I'm going to the dashboard on their reports. So right now I'm on the dashboard on Google Analytics. Then I'm going to the real-time data. So how many people visit on our site? Right now no data, only one data, they are using desktop. So actually the Universal Analytics is successfully done to our website. So actually debug view not working because of no development device are logging yet. Also we can use another extension like GA4 debug. Chrome extension. I'm going to the Chrome extension, Google Analytics debugger. Also we will install this and we will see their measuring data. So hope you like this video. Feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel for next upcoming video. Thank you.